cannot understand why this is waiting for data. My Bluetooth is on, and it's talking to the Bluetooth.
I've had that happen to me. You'll probably find your bloody iPad's doing an update. Sometimes the best way to deal with that is to turn it off and turn it back on again.
Okay, I'll do that. I mean, I've got a backup on the phone. Amazing, you can actually see water already, can't you?
Yeah, I guess you can.
Golf Mike Tango, descending left side. Wilco, Golf Mike Tango.
Compton Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo's cleared en route. Thanks very much for your help with the diversion.
Thank you, bye.
What was that radar service you gave me out of interest?
Solent radar.
Oh, Solent.
It's a combination of Bournemouth and Southampton.
Alright. Do we need to talk to them?
If we're going to go through the corridor, it's safest to, I think.
Okay, alright. So, and that was on 120...
Oh. I don't know, this is shut down now. Hang on, give us a second.
Okay, don't worry.
Solent radar 120225.
Solent radar, Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo.
Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo, Solent radar, pass your message.
Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo's an RV4 out of Compton Abbas, inbound to Sandown on the Isle of Wight, currently squawking 7,000 on a heading of 100.
Golf Juliet Bravo, roger, basic service, QNH 1026, squawk 3666.
3666 coming down at 1026.
Golf Juliet Bravo, your intended routing via Bewley.
Affirmative.
Affirm, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Roger, and will you be remaining beneath the base there at 2,000 feet, or are you requesting transit?
I'll stay just below it actually, it's a bit bumpy any higher than that.
Golf Juliet Bravo, roger then, report passing Bewley.
All cool, thanks Juliet Bravo.
Solent radar, Golf Alpha Sierra Whiskey X-ray, request basic service.
Golf Sierra Alpha Whiskey X-ray, Solent radar, pass your message.
Solent radar, good afternoon, Golf Alpha Sierra Whiskey X-ray, PA28 routing Sywell, Bembridge, currently 4 miles south of Greenham, 3,500 feet on QNH 1026. We're looking to route via Bullington Cross and Lanford and beneath the CTA via Stony Cross and Hurst Castle. Request basic service.
Golf Alpha Sierra Whiskey X-ray, roger, basic service, QNH is 1026, squawk 3666.
QNH 1026, squawk 3666, basic service, Golf Whiskey X-ray.
I know it means a slight deviation, but can you give me 10 degrees right?
Yep. 968 Echo redirect.
Out there? Yeah. Because you've got Parkhurst Forest coming up on the left.
Golf Whiskey X-ray overhead Bullington
And
Cross.
Kate lives
towards
just this side of it.
CRP.
Golf Whiskey X-ray, thank you. 9240, contact Southampton Tower.
Can you give me another 5 degrees, 10 degrees right, just fairly quickly? And then come back. Right, on your left-hand side,
Yeah.
there's a straight road,
Yeah.
and there's some buildings right in the middle of a field with a lane going straight to it. Have you got it?
On the left,
Yeah.
Those buildings over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Kate.
Right, okay. That's a flyby, is it?
Well, if there's a car there. See where the cows are in the field? You got the cows in the field by the lane?
I'm looking over there.
Yeah, right on the wingtip.
Yeah, on the first track.
Roger, expect vectors to the VOR DME approach and continue our navigation initially towards the Sierra Alpha Mike.
Nav Sierra Alpha Mike and VOR DME,
Affirm the ISM DME is not available, therefore it's only the VOR DME approach is to runway 02.
Are they
Got the radar
in the house
or
there?
Bravo Echo. I'm looking to see if they're in the garden. Yeah, there's people in the garden.
Cockpit to Victor Bravo Echo, Stolen Trade, I'll pass your message.
Golf Victor Bravo Echo R22 to POB from a private landing site to the northeast of the Oval to Goodwood, currently just to the north of the Isle of Wight, requesting a basic service.
Golf Bravo Echo, basic service outside the controlled airspace QNH 1026.
Golf Bravo Echo, basic service out of controlled airspace QNH 1026.
Golf Bravo Echo, correct, and just say again your position and your current altitude.
Getting some waves.
And there's a helicopter on the ground over there.
Yeah.
Golf Bravo Echo, just approaching Cow's Shot, and we are at 1600 feet.
Golf Bravo Echo, Roger, Squawk 3660.
Squawk
Okay, that'll do it.
0 Golf Bravo Echo.
Somebody says they're coming towards cows.
968 Echo, descend to
Pardon?
altitude
Somebody said that
4000
they were approaching cows, which will be on our wingtip.
968 Echo.
Golf Victor Victor Bravo Echo, you are identified 10 miles southwest of Southampton, just in the vicinity of Bewley. Verify your altitude now.
We are at just under 1700 feet, we'll keep it around there, Golf Bravo Echo.
Roger, thank you.
There's the prison down there on the left.
Oh yeah. Golf Juliet Bravo has Sandown in sight and request QSY on 11927.
Golf Juliet Bravo, Roger, Squawking 7000, service from Solent now terminates. Bye-bye.
Bye, thanks for your help. Sandown radio, Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo.
Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo, Sandown radio, pass your message.
We're ambing to you with airfield in sight, requesting airfield information.
Golf Juliet Bravo, runway 23 right hand with a QFE 1025.
Golf Echo Echo, clear as the active on the southern taxiway.
Golf Echo, roger. Bravo.
2-3 right hand circuit here. feedback. Oh, you bugger. I'm on absolute tick over.
Yeah.
Still going up train. Can you hear me when
No, I can't hear you, no.
radio's off? Radio's packed up.
Oh, I got a bit of noise there, but
If that's all that thumping about his head to or what?
self-fuel is over there by the hangar.
Yeah.
This side of the control tower.
I don't quite know why I've lost my radio.
Got a fuse popped or anything simple?
No, I can't really see it at the moment. Right, we have radio. That's strange, isn't it?
Yeah. You just waggled something.
Well, I think in actual fact what I did was I turned off the fuel pump on finals and turned off the radio as well.
Alright.
Somehow. Quite know how, but that's what I did, I think. The big old liner in there, look.
Yeah. A lot of those actually sail from the key that my brother used to run.
Alright.
When he was with Associated British Ports. And then he was seconded from that to manage the red funnel jets. You know, the fast jets and the car ferries.
Alright.